$500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are all that we will be checking out in today's video, and everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, let's go straight into it right away, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M chain Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, this actually got to the resistance zone at this point, and it was unable to break out from there. Like I always tell you, for trend trading strategy, it makes life very easy for you. Okay, all you just need to do is just for you to be sure of the trend. So this got to the resistance zone, and we all know that the basic knowledge of trading says that from the resistance zone is where, the resistance zone is more suitable. It's the most suitable place for you to start selling. Okay, so that is it. So since it's unable to break out from the resistance zone, we'll need to wait for the switching to happen. So it's switching to a downtrend at this point, got to this region, was unable to break out below it. So it went back up till it got to this region, and right from there, switch back into a downtrend, and you can see it going down. Okay, that was why I had to pull this horizontal line. So it broke out below it, and it sold till it got to this region. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, but if it's unable to break out below this support region, then definitely it will switch back into an uptrend. So we should take note of that. But for now, this is still selling. Okay, so we should take note of that. So it might not be for long in case it's unable to break out from the support region. So now let's move up to GainX 999. Remember, I am on 15-minute time frame. Okay, this is GainX 999, and these are being on downtrend right from here. And of course, we can see it selling till it got to this particular support zone, and it has been taking its time right here on the support region. Okay, so guys, if it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more, but if it does not, then it will go back into an uptrend. But for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out from there. Okay, so this is very, very important, and it's going to give us every necessary signals before we can jump into the trade. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. It played for a while around there and broke out below it at this point, and this is still selling right now. Okay, there might be pullbacks in between, but it's more of a downtrend than an uptrend, just like I have explained earlier. Um, when I was analyzing the assets. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. Let's see what Paynex 999 will be giving to us. Paynex 999 actually switched into an uptrend at this point. It gave us the uptrend signal, gave us the buy signal, and it has been buying since then. It has gotten to this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more, but if it does not, it will switch back into a downtrend and we start selling. But for now, it is still buying. Okay, it is more of an uptrend than a downtrend, so it is buying right now. Let's look at the last asset, and that is going to be FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. This started a downtrend right from here. It has been selling since then, although there are pullbacks in between, but it's more of a downtrend than an uptrend, and this is still selling right now. If it's unable to break out from the resistance, from the support zone, it will switch back into an uptrend. but for now it is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my trading videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can start trying them out on your real account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.